Alright, we're back. There's our boring head. Oh, I didn't do that yet. Didn't do that yet. Can indicate the hole in. Shut the noise off. Indicator. Alright. Ooh, that's way big. So you sweep it in, get it close. Okay. Too much. Alright. Roughed it in real quick there. Okay, I'm gonna get 0 on the dial. So turn the light off might help. So now we're at 10 over there. We are at 6 over there. And this point over here, we're in between. Split the difference. About there. 3 over. Move that. Move this one over to be the same. About there, about 7.5. How round this thing is. Appears to be halfway around. Okay, now I gotta put that on a number I can see better. Okay, we're just a high 5. High 5. Low 5. Low 5. Looks like about 5 there. Put 5 there. 5, 5, 5. Okay, I think we're pretty close. It gets a little high right there, but thing's not round. It's been squeezed, so it's not quite round. Close enough. 0, 0. All right. Now I can go ahead and get ready to bore. It's indicated. Get it out of the way. Okay, there. There. Got our boring bar right here. touches. That went too far. Too far. Too far. Too far. Okay, flashlight. Always like making a trace cut to kind of see where I'm at. The indicators kind of lie a little bit. Cut, no cut, don't lie. Contact. Okay, now I'm going to sneak up on it until we just touch. I think we're touching. No, we're not touching yet. Ooh, we touched there. It always comes out a little bit when you first hit it. So we're at 65 right now. So we'll bring it to 60. Okay, so you can see I hit right there. Right there. And right there. Three-sided. It's a three-sided circle. How do you get a three-sided circle? Trippertree clamps, that's how. Okay, let's see what we got. Probably won't hit right now, but we'll see. Well, okay, so we know it hits within 5 of this number. There's 3. Okay. Making a cut mark somewhere. That's enough. Where's it hitting? A little bit over there. Appears to be hitting mainly on this corner right over here. Nowhere else. Yep. Alright, so we're going to move it up thou to 1 thou. No, I'm going to move it a couple tenths. I'm not moving it much. Oh, there it is. 2, we moved 3. Close enough. Okay, we need to go this direction now, this way. Wasn't hitting over there. Oh, that's way too much. One more. 2. Okay. Let's see what that looks like. I didn't do anything else. Let's just see what happens. Cutting even more. Where's it cutting? It's anodized, so I don't think I can cut anything. I think it's just rubbing. And interruptions. Alright, we'll be back.